Hello and welcome to a very rainy Scotland. We have wonderful friend Isabella with us. We are heading up to Glencoe in 2 vans and potentially 3 in the next couple of days for New Year. Been in Glasgow for the last couple of days and now we are just exploring the local area.
This is Jamie. This is Jamie's van. And Jamie's en route to Glencoe. We're stopping along route today with our little friends that you can't see because of the fog. But that's Cam and Rach in the other van. And Jamie's rather excited for the day.
We are currently at the Devil's Pulpit, sat waiting for the wind to die down. We've basically got a 2-hour drive today and we're stopping at every cool place on the way. I've not brought my camera because the weather looks not so good. It's been raining all day, so I wanted to protect it. This is on our way down to Devil's Pulpit. It's like Iceland, isn't it, H?
It's beautiful.
Before you used to be able to go through like every frame in the video.
How did you find that?
Good.
Any nice sights that you wish to share?
We do some really pretty flowers.
We walked down to one of the most beautiful spots with a nice waterfall and a valley, and there were 2 guys
Engaging in sexual.
doing the thing where we wanted to walk to, so that was interesting. We are just about to drive to a nice farm shop that we found. This is Cam and Rach that you can't see yet, and then we're gonna head up to Glencoe. Cam's kind of waving, you can't really see him. Pulled into Auchintuck Farm Shop and we got some old iron brew from the co-op, which we can't wait for. Some tourists who recognise the van. Wow. Good little farm shop. Unfortunately they are closing after today for 2 weeks, so there wasn't too much on. We are now just heading into Lochs? A place called Lochs.
We're heading to Lochs. Jamie's recording. Over and out.
Going to Lochs for a nice little coffee.
Are we ready?
Captain!
Found this lovely little park up on the side of Loch Lomond. Just going to cook some lunch and then head up to my Glencoe. It's finally time to meet Cam and Rach. We'll just put tarps over the vans so we can cook. Say hi, Rach. Cam. Yo, you've met Cam before. And this is Luna. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
So we are just making some duck pancakes and Rach and Cam are making some sausage pasta, and we're going to combine the 2 and have one as a starter and one as a main, and then who knows?
Nom 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 nom.
This is our sink for the time being. Nice big 10 litre tub with a tap on and a washing up bowl. However, there is a sink that has been installed.
But no tap.
With no tap, and it doesn't lead to anywhere yet.
The wall.
What's up? What's he done?
Keeps knocking. I have to find my key.
Hello there.
Smile. So we've just eaten by Loch Lomond. We are now driving up to Glencoe. I don't know what the plan is now. We are going to stop at some point.
.8 is the aperture, isn't it?
We could stay by Loch Lomond tonight.
Yeah, I think that'd be really nice. But we don't know if we can.
The ones where you want the outside in focus but you out of focus, it just looks really shit.
So we've parked up in Glencoe, still pissing it down, but we have made a very cosy situation
rating out of 10.
10 for me.
10.
You recording?
Yeah, you are, innit?
So we just got to our park up in Glencoe. You can see the bucal from our park up. We are just going to crack open a nice bottle of red, a nice bottle of whiskey,
Show us your cup.
some food. Apparently this doesn't count it as a wine glass, but maybe this one does. Could I borrow it? Yeah. Looking very calm. It's actually a really cute shot. Yeah. So we just woke up in the middle of Glencoe. Oh my god. We couldn't see anything last night. And as you can tell, it's been super stormy overnight, all morning. It's kind of cleared a little bit now. Just let me show you where we are. This is insane. Hello.
Hello.
How was your night?
It was actually really quiet, but then this morning it like winds and rain was like pretty hard. But I find the rain quite peaceful, so
You look very cozy in there though.
yeah, just finished doing bits.
Where's Cam?
He's out walking Luna.
Yeah, fair. I forgot that we've parked completely on the West Highland Way, and I just saw like 100 people walking towards us. And I'm like, oh no. Just cooking up a nice Scottish breakfast. We've got some lawn, some fried bread, an egg, and then I might even top it up with some original iron brew. The weather is getting a little bit better than it was last night, but it's still not great. Alice and Jordan have turned up now. We are going to head to Fort William after breakfast, stock up on some supplies, and then go party all night because it's New Year's Eve today, and then hike and swim tomorrow, regardless of weather. And yeah, don't know what. How's the lawn, Izzy? Alice and Jordan here. Woo!
Oh, we're filming.
God, look excited to be here. Jesus Christ. So we are just cooking up a nice beef and chickpea curry. Izzy's getting ready, and then we are going to the Craig Inn for New Year's Eve night out. This is the food setup, just frying up some beef, got a little beer. Izzy's just having a great time on the bed. Who said, van life, you can't eat good? What's your verdict? Pretty good. Here's some naan bread.
This is Jamie getting a shower. It's New Year's Eve and he wants to look nice with his hair. So he's outside in the absolute freezing cold.
It's 1 degree. It's cold water.
Pouring a bottle of Volvic onto his head. Jamie, tell us how you feel.
Snowy Highlands. This is insane. Where are we? We've come to Glencoe Ski Resort to bask in the overnight snow on New Year's Day. It's absolutely unreal. Yeah. having fun? We just had a very lovely walk in the snow. It's incredible. Sorry. Did you have fun?
I did. It was so good.
It's been a very snowy overnight in Glencoe, and we just had a little bimble, like a 2-3 hour bimble on New Year's Day. And now we're gonna go find a pull-up, get some dinner, have a shower, and then see what the evening offers. This is Van's spot at night. Alice is doing some yoga in her van. And we got fairy lights up. You look mental.
I am mental. I was like, we can't.
Everyone had a good New Year's Day.
Did, just the company wasn't too great.
Like really pedal, ready to go to bed.
Just someone kept playing the camera in my face. It was just.
Oh, zoom, baby, zoom!
So last night we stayed at the Three Sisters, and we had probably the darkest, starriest night that I've ever seen. Took some incredible night shots, and now we are going up the middle Three Sister. I don't know what it's called. It's like 940 meters. We're going up that for a little hike today. It's frosted overnight. It was like -4 yesterday.
Very cold.
Very, very cold.
Very
Jordan and
cold.
Alice's windshield's frozen. But we are going to try and get to the top of this peak. So the plan is now to climb up the Buccal. We're about 1/10 of the way up.
There was just no brie in Scotland. There's no brie!
Just having some lunch. About halfway up the Buccal Timor. That's the Timor. It's French, isn't it? Oh, I'm in manual focus. No wonder it's not focused. And we're just debating whether to go tip top or not.
No! It's very icy.
Oh, they've just stalled. So we've just come down the Buccal, and we are now heading to Fort William to get some food. Gonna try the Buccal again tomorrow. We basically set off way too late today to be able to summit it. So we got 510 meters up and then came straight back down, and then we are going again tomorrow to fully summit it. So we are at the bottom of Ben Nevis, going up Steel Waterfall today. It's the 7th or 8th day. Everyone feeling fresh still?
Fresh air as well.
Fresh air as well. Fresh. So up there is Ben Nevis Peak. Just peeking on the clouds.
Little haggis would have helped you.
We've just found best swim spot ever. It's like 2-3 meters deep on a running water source next to somewhere to put your clothes. Wish we could get in, but we've got no towels, nothing to keep us warm, and we're about 3 miles from the van. It's very cold, so we've just all washed our face and our hair. So nice. Yeah. So we've just got back and we're doing some cooking. Alice and Jordan are leaving. I'm gonna see them on the drone. I've got a really nice drone. And we just parked up doing some cooking by Ben Nevis, and there are some spectacular views around here.
Sick.
going to be upset if like the ISO is wrong?
Underexposed.
What ISO would you go for?
Right now I don't know because I can't see.
Well, I went for 400.
So we're just leaving Scotland. Just gone and done a little hike by Ben Nevis. And now Cam, Rach, Izzy and I are heading into the Lake District for an extra night or two before heading home. It's been a great trip. Now it's your time to vlog.
So we're just on our way to the Lake District because Jamie's being really needy in the car, asking for 500 things all at the same time, but he found half a bag of integrals in his pocket, so he's a happy boy. I'm nice and comfy in my blankie with some chocolate, and I'm organising the music.
We're just about to tuck into some sausage, couscous, pepper, broccoli, chickpea, pak choy, spring onion, garlic and ginger. Unbelievable. First time for me up in Glencoe, and it's pretty much the van's first proper outing since it's been livable. And it's coped pretty well. A couple of freezes in places, but it's done really well. And I can't wait for some more adventures in this. Tell me that this doesn't look absolutely banging.